This squad will go as far as Jomel Anceta and Ian Torres. Parehas na mga focal points sa kanilang offensa, point of attack, and both offensively and defensively. Talking about focal points, Clint Escamis answers on the other end.
Another speedy guard. Big-time recruit. Escamis stops, pops, and connects. Clint Escamis. He makes it look easy. For the Blazers, Sanchez. 1-on-1 today from beyond the arc. Escamis again!
So you know that young mid-range.
It's a piece, and Benil started this game, Coach Hammer, with a 7-0 start. And here comes Escamis.
And again, passing lanes being played well by Clint Escamis.